Hello guys, it is Tuesday. I have to tell you, I miss at-home vlogs. I feel like I just need to kind of basically wind down. I know the traveling vlogs are fun, but I actually really crave just more at-home cozy vibes. I am home for now for the next few months, and I'm so excited because I'm so tired of traveling, honestly, and I'm so happy to be back in my routine. I try to go to the gym every day, Monday to Friday. I also try to journal in the mornings. I am trying to pick up meditating back, but it's really hard after you break your routine for 4 months. Like last week, going to the gym was so hard. Every day I was like, why? Like, do I have to? You know what I mean? I'm like, who's forcing me to do this? Right now, I'm actually going to be making some dinner. I know a comment a long time ago. Some of your comments honestly truly stick with me. Like, I remember them. One of the comments was like, oh, I love to watch you make Asian food or something like that. And spoiler, I no longer make Asian food, okay? And not because I'm dating a white guy. When you make Asian food, there's 5 million spices and you make a huge mess. It takes so much time, so much spices, and obviously the food is delicious, but it's like so much goes into making one Asian dish. The way that I'm making the chicken is just literally putting on this seasoning, which is delicious, by the way. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. It's actually so good. Even my boyfriend was like, oh my God, this is so good. And I feel like he rarely says that. I don't know, he's like not as animated as I am. And I also realized I feel like I just kind of introduced him randomly onto the vlog. I didn't really give a proper introduction, so I think I'm probably going to do that so you guys can properly meet him. Anyway, when he comes back, we'll interrogate him on how we met and all of that stuff. Okay, so while Dan is out getting the chicken or whatever, I'm gonna get started on the rice because I'm starving. I feel like such an old person now. It is only 5 p.m. I could eat a whole ass meal if I wanted to right now. But anyway, I got my trusty little rice cooker. Actually, this is by no means little. I had a little one in university. I'm sure everyone did, like one of the Black & Decker ones. But if you don't have a rice cooker, like my boyfriend, he does not have a rice cooker. But I'm like, is this like a white person thing? Like, I don't know. Anyway, I've been really addicted to these. This dip is really good. When I went over to Dan's parents' house, basically they actually had the pretzels and they had this dip, and ever since I ate it, I've been hooked on it. It's just very savory. Okay, all right, while we're prepping, I'm gonna do the chicken. You're doing the veggies. You wanna tell everyone how we met?
Hi guys, I'm Dan. Lisa and I met when we went to a wedding. A couple of our friends.
Wait, there was a vlog! So this isn't actually your first vlog appearance. Not that you were featured directly, but you were in the vlog because we were in Alberta and I vlogged that trip.
Whoa, was I a main character or?
I'm the main character.
No, I didn't say the main character, I said a main character. Clearly not. It was 2021, about a week before the wedding. A big group of our friends decided to go up to Calgary and then Banff all together. The only person I did not know on this trip was Miss Lisa here. Yeah, weirdly, we went to the same school and the same program, and we never met. Yeah, people be gatekeeping. Yeah, and then we met and we hit it off. We never really lived in the same city. We saw each other a few times over the next couple of years. In 2023, Lisa came out to help me promote my new tour company in Greece.
We even went to Albania and Montenegro together, and you were in all the videos.
Yeah. And then I went out to the Philippines, and I was expecting to move to Australia, but ended up not doing that. I asked this lovely lady if she wanted to get dinner with me. And then she was like, no.
I did not say that.
And then I convinced her.
Okay, we were ready to put the chicken in. It's actually so simple, you guys. All I do is I put some avocado oil. This is the secret here, right here. This is a chicken seasoning, and it's the best. It's so good, and it's so easy. You just put it on, and we're done. See? No mess, no stress. These veggies are actually so good. And the chicken.
Stop it! God, this is bothering him! Stop it!
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another day. Today I am going to oak+fort for a little private shopping appointment. We are gonna check out some of their new fall styles. These boots right here, these are from oak+fort, and actually this jacket is also from oak+fort. I just don't know if it's still in stock. The jacket of the season, which I posted on TikTok, is this suede jacket right here. I posted it and I think it went viral. The skirt here is from House of CB. I actually don't remember where this t-shirt is from. And the bag is from Mango. I just got home from oak+fort and I need to tell you the most stupid mistake. I went to the Queen Street location, and you want to go before 4 p.m. because you actually get street parking. So I park on the street, and obviously I know I have to pay for it. So I pull up the green P parking to pay for my parking, and I selected, you know, the appropriate time, whatever, paid for it, and went into the store. I come out of the store, guess what I see on my freaking windshield? So I grab it and I'm like, why did I get this? Like, I literally paid for parking. Like, I'm so upset. I look at the time that it was issued, 2:05, which by the way, I got there at like 1:45. So I was like, this is for sure in the period that I paid for parking. So I'm like upset. Turns out I literally did everything right, put in the code of the parking code, everything. I just forgot to press confirm. And now instead of paying $4, I'm paying $50. First of all, I want to say thank you to oak+fort. They did give me 5 pieces today, but obviously in true Lisa fashion, I ended up getting more pieces than 5. So I did pay for 2 pieces as well. The first item is this slouchy sweater right here. I also posted a vlog on it on TikTok if you want to see me trying everything on. If you guys have not gotten the slouchy sweater, you need it. It's so cute. The second item that I got are this pair of denim. If you're watching this video and you're 5'1", which I know a lot of you are like quite short like me, because I get comments like this all the time, like I try to see what pants you get or whatever. This is one of the pairs. Low-key, oak+fort denim is so good. Like, their shaping, just, I don't know, I think maybe it's because it's like Korean founded brand or whatever, so it works on my like tiny little Asian body with no booty, you know what I'm saying? This is where you need to get your pants, because I just feel like oak+fort pants have always fit me really well. Another pair that I got as well, and also I got a personal shopper, and she's actually the person that picked out these pants for me. I never would have grabbed them myself, I'm gonna be honest with you. These ones, I don't know what they're called, but they're the ones with like the big pockets next to them. It's not as casual as it looks. It actually looks very sleek. This I got in size 2. I'm regularly a size 4, and I got this in a size 2, and I was like when the personal shopper brought this up to me, I was like, so you think I'm skinny? And then the last item that is part of my little, oh my god, did that hurt? The last item is this leather jacket here. I need a new leather jacket. This one is $134, and I got it in size extra small. It's super cute. It also comes in a brown. Items that I paid for, this one is in size small, and it's $78. I just feel like I'm gonna wear this all the time. This is the exact shape I've been looking for in sweaters. You will not believe how hard it is to find a classic crew neck sweater that does not cinch at the bottom. I don't know why. I don't know why it's so hard. I searched Zara, Mango, like all these big stores, they don't have it, and the only place that had it is oak+fort. The next jacket is the one that upon entering the store, I saw it on the mannequin, and I'm like, add to cart. I'm like, I need that jacket. This one is in size small, and it is $188. And then lastly, I got this black sweater right here. This is also, once again, a shape I've been looking for in the color black. That's the haul, and I'm honestly super excited for this haul, and I can't wait to style these pieces and show you guys. Okay guys, it's another day. I have such a packed day today. I am first going to a influencer event. It's with this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but they're like a glasses eyewear brand. I'm gonna leave the name up here. But before I leave, I just wanna show you guys my outfit. So my bodysuit is from Babaton. This is from Dynamite from the Montreal trip. The bag is from Caperni, which I got from Essence. and the pants are from oak+fort, which was from yesterday, and then the shoes are from Zara. I'm parking my car again, and I'm so careful with green pea this time. Okay, until you see this, okay, it does not mean that you have parked, so you have to see this first. Just FYI to everybody, because I'm so scarred. Yay, this is so beautiful. You want to say hi to the vlog again? It's yes!
She's back.
Yay!
Back in Toronto.
Yeah! Wow, this is such a great location for an office. Wow, I'm trying on all the fun glasses. Do I not look like a ladybug? Okay, so we're currently at the transition station. We all know that there are lenses that transition from light to dark, but there are also frames that can also transition from light to dark.
So you see how the colors really changes the perception also of the color of the frame.
Yeah.
The frame changes color, so you have everything going on here with colors. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. We are looking at Crizal. Is that how you pronounce it?
Yeah, Crizal.
Crizal.
And here we have our Crizal technology, Crizal Sapphire HR. And here it's a regular lens, non-coated. And here I'm just gonna try to wipe it away. Oh, really hard to remove it. Here I'm just gonna try and remove
Whoa.
it from my Crizal technology. And also scratch resistance. So.
Scratch resistant, I need
Yes.
that. Wow, I love these lenses. These are so nice. Oh my god, I need these. Yaz just gave me the whole rundown of the entire showroom, and obviously there's so many cool different styles right now, but I think honestly my favorite station was the new technology. The three that I'm like super interested in is obviously the transitions, the glasses that turn from clear to dark, and the frames also transition to dark, but then also on top of that, instead of taking a really long time for the lens to transition, it now takes only 2 minutes. The other one is, I think it's called Stellar, where kids can actually correct their vision and slow down nearsightedness. And then the last one is probably my favorite, the one where it really protects the lens from scratching, dust, fingerprints, whatever. I need that so badly in my life. And also most importantly, it's not reflective. So every time I used to take pictures with my eyeglasses, not my sunglasses, just eyeglasses, it always reflects, which is why I actually don't wear my eyeglasses outside that often, because for content, like even right now, if I were to film, you guys would not be able to see my eyes. And I can even show you a picture here. Like I took a picture of them. You can clearly see the difference between left and right, where like one had, obviously you can see my eyes very clearly, and the other one you cannot barely see it because it's reflective. Okay, now we're moving on to the gifting suite. We actually get to bring a pair of sunglasses home, so let me show you some of the options. I actually like these. They're also, you know, cherry red, so obsessed. I would get these, but I just feel like they don't fit Asian noses that well onto the next pair. These remind me of my cadet days. They're very like military vibes. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Thank you so much.
No worries.
Okay, I just finished at my event and now I am here to get my hair colored and glossed. So I'm going to my usual, I'm going to Thick Studio. It's in King West area. Getting my hair cut finally. Right now it's this long and it's like so dead at the end. I think we're gonna cut off the last of my balayage. Guys, oh my gosh, this looks so amazing. I'm obsessed. I just needed a hair refresh. Okay guys, it is our monthly book club. We are here at Vic's and she has prepared this elaborate dinner. I can't believe you did everything. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Whoa! This is the book. It's called The Husbands. Basically, it's about this girl who comes home and randomly she has a husband in her house, and then every time the husband goes to the attic, a new husband comes out. And we're gonna discuss it today, so. And I won't spoil it, because some people are still reading. Look, this is the overall spread. Oh my gosh, this all looks so good.
She did the smartest thing. She put on the bottom of her bowl. She did. Maybe.
We're watching a movie.
I actually really like these.
So, yeah, I like the dress ones, really. Aww, so cute. Oh my god, here's its face. Emma made pumpkin loaf. This looks delicious already. Nice. Okay guys, we are officially on our way to dinner. The car is self-driving itself right now. Baby, where are we going for dinner? On television?
Chantelier.
Whatever. It's a French restaurant in Toronto. It's like west of Bloor, but it's for our friend Gavin's welcome party, even though last week he technically already had a welcome party. But still, we're having a second welcome party. Okay, we're gonna show you guys the food when we get there. Hopefully it's good because nobody's heard of this restaurant. Have you heard of this restaurant?
Never.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
You're on the vlog! Look who it is! Hello! Hi! Hi guys! Oh my god, it's so blurry. Yay! Okay, so we just ditched half of our friends because they're going to Paris.
Half.
Yeah, they're going to Paris, Texas. This group is going to a nice little cocktail bar. Thanks, Brad.
Yeah.